Differentiate y is equal to x squared sine 2x. So we've got y is equal to x squared sine 2x. Now we need to recognise that this is a product of two functions of x. Therefore we need to use the product rule. So y is equal to u times v. So let u be equal to x squared. So then if we differentiate x squared, we get du by dx is equal to 2x. And therefore v will be equal to sine 2x, and then from our previous work with differentiating sine 2x, we're going to get that dv by dx is 2 cos 2x. The product rule says if dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx, therefore dy by dx will be equal to u, which is x squared. Now when you substitute in here, use brackets, times dv by dx, so it's going to be 2 cos 2x, plus v, which is sine 2x, times du by dx, which is 2x. But notice I have substituted in using brackets. Right, if we now reorder this a little bit, so we're going to reorder the first part here as 2x squared cos 2x, and it's worth your while doing this, plus 2x sine 2x. Now if we reorder, that's reordering each term. Now look for common factors. There's a common factor of 2 and x that comes out. This 2x here and this 2x here are not common factors because the term is cos 2x and sine 2x. They're not common. So therefore we're left with an x cos 2x here plus sine 2x here. So the last step is to factorise, and therefore we get a final answer of 2x brackets x cos 2x plus sine 2x. So this has been a video to show you how to differentiate a trig function using the product rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.